first official weekend of May 17th, 2024. CN Hayes here, 9:25, coming to you from West Ladysmith, along the Canadian Nationals Barron Maine, with a video lined up for you today. Today's L51981 of the 17th has arrived at the Solo SG60 of the 5466. That decided to be a power move return. It appeared that 5407 must have gotten a new assignment. And it delivered 2 pole loads from Bell Pole of Barron and was dropped off from yesterday's L563, 81 of the 16th. So that is going to do it for today's L51981 of the 17th to wrap it up for the week. And that is going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin, at West Ladysmith at milepost 128.8. Thanks for watching, everyone. You have a great day. Have a great weekend. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.